Hey everyone, Chef Nick here, and I will be showing you how we do our sweet potato wedges. Really delicious item. First, we're going to start with fresh sweet potatoes. We want to go ahead and rinse them really well in the food sinks. Also, while you're doing that, take the food brush if you have one and really give it a nice scrubbing on the whole outside. Once you get that done, we're going to set it on our cutting board. We're going to cut it in half first. All right, and then cut it in half one more time. And then from there, one more time. So you're gonna get about 4 pieces, 4 wedges for each half. So 8 altogether for each sweet potato. It should look like this. All right, once you have all your sweet potatoes cut in the bowl here, we're gonna start with our vegetable oil. Pour that in there. And give it a nice tossing so that way all of our sweet potato wedges get a coating of this oil. Whoops. All right, once you have it tossed in the oil, the next thing we're gonna add is our seasoning. Now our seasoning is a mixture of salt, pepper, and cinnamon. Spread that evenly across your sweet potatoes. And then again, toss them. That way that seasoning will mix all over your sweet potato wedges. All right, once we have that done, we're gonna go ahead and take a sheet tray, lined, sprayed. We're gonna put all of our wedges out so they're all on a single layer. You don't want any of these sweet potato wedges to be stacked on top of each other. All right, after you do that, they're ready to go in the oven. You should have your oven already preset to 400 degrees. And you should be able to use the sweet potato wedge button to cook your sweet potato wedges. All right, now they're going in the oven. All right, well, timer went off for the sweet potato wedges. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of the oven. And when they're all said and done with, that is what they should look like. All right, this is Chef Nick showing you sweet potato wedges. I'm out.
Beep, beep.